Okay, one touch. So I installed the auto stop eliminator. Came packaged nicely. Stuff that was in there. Awesome. All you gotta do is really go to the website, look it up, and it's I got extra zip tie. Everything else is already in there. Look at that, gentlemen. Put it back, no problems. Still opens. We're good to go. Sunroof still works, so on and so forth. So it's already been installed. I already have it turned off. I'm just gonna show you. Oh, why couldn't Subaru give you that option of turning that on? Still, very worth it. Car goes off, it stays off. I don't think I'll ever have a need to turn it back on. No check engine lights. Perfect, gentlemen. I suggest if you get tired of that start-stop action, feel free to go get yourself one. I'll leave the description to the website and everything. Take it easy.